This one is a Recon ES Honda 250. To replace the spark plug, the access is not as easy as on the 350. The 350 basically you just need your socket. I think it's 18 millimeter. Just remove the spark plug, put a new one, put the cable back on it, and you're done. This one, the access is too tricky. You don't have enough room right here to access it. And for that, to be able to do that pretty easy, you need to remove the side shield. So we're going to do that right now. But pretty much you have one snap right here, one snap connection. You have some underneath the seat. So we're going to remove the seat. And you need to remove the one from that part of the body to be able to remove the shield. So let's do that right now. So first remove the seat, which will give you access to that one and that one. So now we're going to remove those four. You have a little snatch here with the top of the gas tank cover. Flat screwdriver is enough to remove it. Just make sure you don't lose them. So on that side, you actually have another one right here to remove. I'm going to remove that. So now that I removed the fifth one on the back here, it is loose. And you have another one right here, number 6. Go. That should be the last one. Just put a little bit on it. You can remove that. Here we go. So you don't have a huge amount of clearance, but that should be enough. The engine is super warm. Just used it. Move the plug. 18 millimeter socket. And here we go. So it's starting pretty good, but this is 14 years old. I think it's time to replace it. It could be cleaned, but for about like $2, gonna put a new one. And that's a new replacement. So let's go and put that in. You can put some anti-seize paste. I got some, so I'm going to put that so it's much easier to put in and out and get back out later. So anti-seize paste, this will last you a lifetime. It's super inexpensive. Just rub the thread on it. You see it starting to stick on it. And here we go. I got plenty enough. And this is a stick. See what I used? Got that much left. It will last you a lifetime. So now let's put that back in. And it's just going in like very smooth. Always do it by hand, at least to get it started. I like to do it about 95% by hand, if not more. It's a lot faster. So don't overtie it. Look at the manufacturer spec if you want to tighten that to the right torque. I'm not doing it. I don't think it is specifically useful. This is replaced. Just make sure you put back your connection. And make sure it's clipped all the way down. Then take your body part. Slide it underneath the gas tank as is. Behind right here. Snap your free connection right here. And then you got your 6 snaps to put back in place. Just got the rear one on that side and we're good to go. There we go. Seat is back in place. Started like a champ. We're good to go. End of the video. Thank you guys. Share and subscribe if you want to.